Hi guys! Today I'll be showing you how to make this super cute charm anklet. It adds such a fun little vibe to any outfit and makes a great gift too. Let's get started! For the materials, you will need 4mm turquoise crystal beads, 4mm pearl beads, and tiny gold shell charms. For the hardware, you'll be using 4mm gold chain, gold head pins, a hook, 3mm jump rings, and 5mm jump ring. For the tools, we'll need a wire cutter, 2 chain nose pliers, and a round nose plier. Let's begin by cutting the chain to the size of your ankle. Mine is around 8 inches. Next, I like to work on the design and will be placing my charms 6 chains apart. Here, I'm going to be placing the gold shell charm first, and we will place it 6 chains from the top. Then I'll follow that up with the pearl charm, 6 chains apart. Then the turquoise, 6 chains apart. Repeat this until the design is complete. Now we will be turning beads into charms using head pins. Place the bead into the head pin. Next, we will cut the head pin so there's only 1 centimeter left to make a loop. Now we'll make a loop, and to make an easy loop, I take my round nose pliers, place them like this so I can see the wire but I can't feel it. Then I like to twist back to make a loop. You may want to adjust the pliers and continue making a loop, making sure that it's closed off tightly like this. Then place your bead back down to the same place. And we will continue doing the same thing for all the other beads. Now that all the charms are made, we can attach them to the bracelet using the 3mm jump rings. Simply open the jump ring using 2 pliers, place the charm, and attach the chain. Do this for all the remaining charms until you've completed the design. Now that we have attached all the charms, we can finish up the anklet. We'll start by adding the hook with a 3mm jump ring to one side of the chain. Next, we're going to work on the extender chain. And for this, I am adding another turquoise crystal charm. This is completely optional and we'll just make it the same way as we did all the other charms. Now we'll add this charm to the extender chain with a 3mm jump ring. And finally, we will use the 5mm jump ring to attach the extender chain to the anklet. And once you close off the jump ring, it's complete and you're done. And that's it, your charm anklet is ready to wear. I hope you have fun making it with me, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for hanging out, and I'll see you next time on Dainty Charms. Bye!